Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jay Haboneta.
I stand before you today, not as Jay Haboneta, but I believe the face of the brave kids all over the country who struggle to go to school every day. Our philosophy at the Philippine Funds for Little Kids can best be summed up by this quote I received 2 weeks ago. The great thing a little lamp can do, which the big sun cannot do, is give light at night. It shows us that no one is superior by size, but by purpose.
You have a new project in Masbate. Can you tell us more about it? And how can we get involved? How can we help in this project?
Patuloy po yung projects namin. Kaya nga naging Philippine Funds for Little Kids siya. You can help po by visiting facebook.com/philippine.funds at doon po makikita ninyo kung paano yung mga ginagawa namin at paano kayo makakatulong. But basically po, doon sa Mababoy, Masbate, same thing siya sa Layag-Layag sa Zamboanga City. Meron din po mga batang naglalangoy going to school. So we also provided boats, and then now we're also helping the community sa livelihood nila at saka sa mga health problems nila.